Hi, this is Scott MacLeod, Customer Service Technologist with Nautel Support, answering your most common customer service questions. This video will address the common question of, how do I get my Nautel assembly repaired? When contacting Nautel Support for repair, please provide the part number to be returned, the transmitter type and transmitter serial number the unit came from, the software version of the transmitter, and a detailed description of the failure. Providing this information will help expedite the repair process. The failure description should include the alarms that are present on the transmitter. Is the issue intermittent? How does the fault affect the transmitter operation? Are you at reduced power? Are you off air? Is it a feature failure? And what troubleshooting was done? Providing this information will help reduce test and diagnostic time that will ensure your repair is completed as quickly as possible. On receipt of the information, Nautel will provide RMA and ship to address. The repair schedule will be 14 business days for current production, 30 business days for non-current production, and 90 business days for legacy equipment, which has been out of production for more than 5 years. Finally, when packing the unit to send to Nautel, pack the unit carefully. Install shipping hardware. Use static bags for applicable assemblies. Ensure ample padding in the box. And remember, cardboard is not always sufficient. Proper packing will ensure your part arrives undamaged and avoid additional costs or unnecessary delays. For answers to other commonly asked questions and additional helpful resources, please visit support.nautel.com.